Okay, continuing with the pick and pack operation. This is the same line we were looking at earlier, although now they have a much larger order. This one in particular has 5 full pallets to be used for this pack of orders. This has 4 orders in it. The first one is 2,000 pieces, 2,077 pieces required for this order. These pallets come stock at 1,000 pieces per pallet. So to fulfill this order of 2,077, we would have to retag not just 1, but 2 full units, and then use a separate unit, like this one here, to fill that 77 pieces. So to fill this order, you would have 1 pallet at 77, and then 2 pallets at 1,000 and 1,000 to fill the 2,077 pieces. I can show you another similar order. Again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full pallets. Although in this case, they only come 200 per unit. So the team would walk to these orders. We're going to look for one that would require more than 200 pieces. Right here, 440 pieces is what this order is required for this customer. So that would mean that it would need, again, 2 full pallets of 200 each, adding up to 400, and then they would use a separate unit to break down the remaining 40 pieces on this order. Now, since we are at the back of the lines, we can actually see how large the warehouse is. In this warehouse, the CRN inventory takes up about 60% of our building. You can see all of these racks are full of CRN product to be used in these work centers that we're standing next to. Now we do see drivers driving around. This one right here is about to grab more inventory to be put back into the rack. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then lastly at the end with the larger pallets on it, 6 production lines. So when we were running 6 teams on these production lines, that is 12 direct laborers. Each work center has a team lead associated to it, so that would be 1, 2, 3 team leads to support those 6 teams. And then we would need 1 driver per block. So this would be 1 driver on this section, 1 driver here, 1 driver on MDO1. So 3 drivers are needed for this operation just to pull orders from the rack onto the line. And then a 4th driver, that would be the one I'm staring at right now, is to take the inventory being produced by these teams off of this line and then back into the rack.